Hello there for this week's update. It's been a busy old week. We've got a new version of the wallet out now, and KG has done a introduction into the wallet and a bit of a walkthrough of the new features, which is up there on YouTube. I highly recommend anybody go through and have a look at that. It's very pleasing to see the updates that we've had. Um, we had an issue with the wallet on Sunday actually, where we had um, an invalid response when we tried to put seed phrases in. Uh, I reported this. We went through some testing. The team got onto that, and that was in my local time at 3 p.m., which is UK time, when I reported it. And by the time we got to 5 a.m. UK time, which is late on in the United States time, we'd actually worked this out and fixed it. So there's the team working well. What we've now got is we've got the version of the wallet which is now 1.255, which has come on a little bit. One noticeable change is that we can now copy into the clipboard the token address, and that is then available. Um, and it's a major step forward in terms of verifying the tokens that are in the actual token list, so that people can have confidence that they actually are looking at the token they think they're looking at. Um, I've now run the whole code from my local machine. And from my local machine, if I go to package JSON, and I did have opened the actual I did have opened the changes, but I've had to change this line here by putting this set in here, and I've changed this slightly so that it will compile and run in Windows. So with the yarn run, the yarn start command, which is back here somewhere, I can now run this in a debug sort of manner. Uh, what I've been doing is I've been trying to track down how the code looks for individual tokens, and it is in here somewhere. Here we go. Is I was relying on this particular API, which goes to one of the it goes back to the config menu. Here's the config menu. We have the APIs that are stored on the wallet here. So I can use that to actually go and find out what is going on, and in the web 3 layers, we can see that it concatenates three different result sets together to get a result set. That result set here in the console, because I put a console log here, I hear there's a lot of different result sets on here. That's a little bit further on from where I was going, because what I was doing in my test code, if I just minimize that and go to my code here, what I was doing in my test code is I was only just relying on the first one of them results to get a set of pairs, and they are a subset of what is actually available in the wallet. I'm going to have to do a bit more digging to find out, but it's all starting to move on a bit. I can kind of start to get on to work things out. This particular test, it produces a big, huge string, and that big, huge string, if I can go down there, I was working through and trying to get the results back to actually say whether or not this is marrying up or not marrying up with what comes back from the wallet. But it's moving on. I'm getting there. It's slowish testing. This test is absolutely horrible at the moment because it's just so complex. But as I start to work out what's been returned and what hasn't been returned, I'm sure I'm going to get to a point where I can understand what's required and write some pretty good tests against it. So, given the fact that we've had such an eventful week, um, I will now go to here. Have I got anything else that I need to say or want to say in here? No, I haven't. So I'm going to minimize that for now. I'm going to go back to my screen. We've talked about KG there. So what I'm going to do is I'll minimize that. And that there. I didn't want to minimize the other one because yeah, we've got now varying levels on the actual tokens per day. We did come down quite a bit. One thing I was hoping to be able to do from that, which I can't really do now because I've minimized the wrong screen, was is that we did seem to have had a good day today. But that's by the by. I'm going to minimize that. As you can see, things have moved along. The time compared to the PLS has kind of moved up a little bit. We're just waiting for the big thing, and we continue to wait. But hey, oh, there you go. This number goes up a slight bit so that there's more in the burn. That means there's more available for people from the actual tokens that are bought and burnt. And we can see that there's been some slight uptick in the actual tokens. We got something that's it's starting to um gradually look like things could be leveling out, ready to pick up. Let's hope so. But that's kind of like where that is. Minimize that if I got that and leave that on screen. Yeah, so that's just about everything. So what I'm going to do is say last words to KJ. Thank you very much.
Things I would like to emphasize and reiterate: we collect no data. Absolutely zero data is collected when using the Internet Money Wallet. We don't store any user information. Everything is on your local device. It is your keys, your crypto, and you are a true self-sovereign individual. The true ideals of crypto are a reality within the Internet Money Wallet. You are the master of your own destiny. If you have any questions, remember, only go to our official support channels at internetmoney.io. Only get the links to download the wallet from internetmoney.io. Make sure to join our Telegram, follow us on X, and ask any questions you may have. We are constantly growing, constantly building, constantly improving, and we are here for the long run in this crypto game that we believe in. I'm KG. Thank you for watching, and until next time, peace. Got my own keys and my own coins. Gotta protect this money. Took too long for me to get it. Can't let them take this from me.